Hello, welcome to this short video reviewing standard form. Remember that when we write a number in standard form, it has two parts. The first part is a number like this. So it has one digit before the decimal point, which will be somewhere between 1 and 9, or -9 and 1, although we haven't really worried about negative numbers, but they work in exactly the same way as the positive ones here. So 8.73 times 10 to the power of something. Now, if that power is positive, then we're dealing with a big number. And if it's negative, then we're dealing with a number below 1. Right, on the next two slides there are some examples for you to practice, so I want you to pause the video and do the examples in your book showing the question and answer, and then you can mark your work from the video. Okay, so on this page we have 5 examples where you need to write the numbers in standard form, so pause the video and try them now. Alright, so 93.5 equals 9.35 times 10 to the power of 1. Okay, nice easy one to start off with. The 9 in the number has to mean 90. So for that to happen, 9 needs to be multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. Okay, the other way to think about it is that you have bounced the decimal point over one place value column. Okay, 701.54 will be 7.0154 times 10 squared. Number 3 is already almost written in standard form. It will be 3.14 times 10 to the power of 0. Okay, remember 10 to the power of 0 is how we write 1 when we're working with standard form. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Lastly, we've got two smaller ones. So 0.000576 will be 5.76 times 10 to the power of -4. And the last one, well, we can do the first part easily. So the number part of it will be 5.087 times 10 to the power of, well, we need to count. We're going to count in threes to make life a bit faster. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So it's a very, very small number. It's 5.087 times 10 to the power of -15. Okay, on to the next set, where numbers in ordinary form. Right, this time we have to think about how we're going to make this number bigger. So this is 5.11328 times 10 cubed. Now 10 cubed is 5,000, so this number will be 5113.28. So if we're looking at that, the other way to think about it is that we've moved our decimal point over this way 3 places. The next one, 5.78 times 10 to the power of -4 will be 0.000578, because if we look at what's happened here, it's easiest to see it when we're checking our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and my decimal will hop into the right place. So thinking about what that place value is, we're saying here that the 5 needs to have the place value of 5 10,000ths, which is this column here. The next one, 2.6 times 10 to the power of 0, is just 2.6 times 1, or 2.6. And the next one is 7.8 times 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 5 is 100,000. So we're going to have 700 180,000. Right, now again we can check this by putting in a decimal point here at 7.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one, 9.32 times 10 to the power of 1. Okay, so 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. I've included this example because a number of you who were going really well with standard form were finding the ones with 10 to the power of 1 the hardest when I marked your box. So just remember 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. So this one is simply 93.2. Okay, I hope this helps, and remember you can use these videos to help you when you're revising for the test.